Alrighty, let's see what's going on here on this rainy day. What's happening?
You have a wonderful day.
What's going on with you?
Not much, just following up.
Following up, baby. That's where the money is.
Yeah. And then I'm heading to far away.
Caitlin, can you come here?
You're heading to far away? Where are you going to? Wizard of Oz?
No.
The land of Oz?
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
But anyway, so that's where they are on that. And the other guys, you have the drainage done. One in Waldorf, trying to finish that up with his rain. It's posted just a shower, remember, for a couple minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a shower, all right. We were poured on the last 2 hours.
Yes.
Oh, that's part of working outside. Part of working outside. Yes, sir. Got those fixtures that Root needs?
Yeah.
He needs 5 of them or 4?
No, I'll just give him an extra one just in case.
In case. Okay.
But I didn't realize these don't have the lens. I thought they were the exact same as the 200s, just smaller.
Mm-hmm.
But
Where's the lenses at?
I don't think they come with them.
Is it just a sealed lamp? The bulb goes in there?
Yeah, it's open, but it's tight.
Okay. I think they did that on purpose on those at one time because they were having water trapped in by the seals. So they left that so water could drain out so water wouldn't get caught in there on the DLs, if I remember right. I think
So
that
it's
was
a good thing?
I think so on the last revision. Yep.
Okay.
We're heading to the next job site. A rainy day, but a good day. It's not snowing, so we're heading to another job site to finish up on a lighting installation. Come along with us. Down here at Edgewater today, I'm looking for Rudy. I haven't seen Rudy. Is anybody? Hey, Karina, have you seen Rudy? How are you? Hey, Jersey, have you seen Rudy? Have you seen Rudy around? Is he around? Rudy? No, no Rudy. All right, we must be at the wrong house.
The wrong house?
Wrong house. It rained all morning here?
Yeah.
Not fun, huh?
No. But leave the attic find all the wire.
All the wires?
Yeah.
Get me an umbrella.
Already got all the way there.
Oh, did ya?
I put a new wire in the slide. I put a new wire and I put a new wire right here in this one.
Let's walk up here and take a look. I see the ones at the entrance and then one down late. What else you got cooking? Is that the new one you just put in here?
Yeah. He said he wanna. I try to fix one old light we already got in the truck for this tree because we don't have nothing in there before. And right now he said he like to put a light in there. I have one.
You talked to Jay this morning?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said when you'll be here, call him and see me here right here.
No, I'm not calling him. No, he's a pain. He's a customer. He's a pain in the ass. No, I'm just kidding. I'll call him, of course.
No, he said we already see you right here. He asked for you and I told him we already come by.
Yeah.
And he said call. Everything right here we already messed up. And we already put the new light. But
That'll be nice coming down the driveway.
yeah, the new one is better and you see the old one?
Oh, yeah.
It's a big difference.
Yep. Yep.
And he asking me why this one is a yellow and this one is a bright, but you know it's a new one.
Yeah.
This one is already a Bluetooth, it's a LED light, but it's still yellow. The same thing in this one right here. You see this one right here is a different thing.
Oh, I didn't even see that fixture. That needs some work, too.
Yeah, this one is
Coming loose. See it coming loose?
Before.
See it coming loose?
Yeah, on the top.
Missing a screw?
Yeah. And we need to put the new screw in there.
Uh-huh.
And we need to clean it up.
New mounting screw, clean it up.
Yeah. But
that other fixture down there, the one that was a little yellow, crazed, it looked like it had a little bit of water in there, a little bit of moisture.
We already take it, clean it up.
You already did?
No. That's why we already leave it the ladder right here. When we already finish it,
Go over to that one?
fix all the wires.
Okay.
We already clean it up.
It looked a little crazed. It might clean right up.
And this one is not working before because all the wire is cut. I think for the guy when we already cut all the trees in there.
Mm-hmm.
We already cut all the wire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right now we already fix it. This one we need to clean it up inside.
Yeah, that needed a little bit of cleaning. Okay. And that one's lighting up the mailbox sign. I'm gonna go. We're gonna stop and see Gary and Jeff next. They said they had the sprinkler on one of the zones. The line was leaking, but Gary said they dug down. And they kept digging. They're down 2.5 feet, and then they ran into it was the well line that was leaking. He said they changed out the backflow, turned the system on, turned that zone on in question, and he said water was coming up from underneath the pipe. So they kept digging, went down 2.5 feet, found the well line, it was leaking. And whoever the well company was or whoever, they had coupled it outside in the ground.
Yeah.
You know, which it's not a good practice to do. So they're going to take it apart, try to fix it. I told them if not, then we'd have to get the well company out there.
Yeah.
But maybe nobody knew about it. Maybe someone else cut it years ago, and they put a couple in it. But usually a well company, they'll put the well line in between the well and the house is one continuous piece.
This is same thing like you see last year in Doctor down there in Annapolis.
Yep.
Dr. Patel.
Yeah.
It's a lot of water in.
Yeah, I remember that. Remember?
Yeah, he said it's a sprinkler, but
it was the sprinkler. It was the well line.
It's a well line.
Yeah, it was a pitless adapter that was leaking in the well head itself. Yep. I remember that. He thought it was a sprinkler line, but it wasn't.
Yeah.
But that's common occurrence. You know, you don't know where it's leaking or something.
Yeah.
It happens.
You don't expect the well to be leaking.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You gonna move it all the way in?
Yeah, he said he like to move it in right here.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yep. That'd work. Took down a lot of trees. A lot of trees, a lot of brush.
Yeah, it's a lot of trees before, but now it's clean.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just a wet, sloppy day today, but on a normal day in his backyard, it's working.
Yeah. That's the one here. You can see this one right here is hanging out.
I don't see it. Oh, on the back side. Yeah. I did see that earlier from the other side. Yep. 2 fixtures there, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Need to be reattached, re-angled, scoped in where you need it. How'd you do on that well line?
Not fixing it. She wants a well guy to do it.
Okay, that makes sense. Because
she said leave it open.
Yep.
She didn't think it was a well line. I said, okay, we'll go turn something on in the house. And then it was like 2 minutes later.
So she understands now.
But she said put a tarp over everything once they finish. We got all the heads done. We just got to come back. And the PVB I changed. It was crap. So we changed all that. Put the controller up. And they have another zone in the back that's got a big leak. But we couldn't find it because we didn't have enough pressure. But she said she'll call as soon as they're done. She said the one guy she called will be at Thursday on the well, but she's going to try and get one earlier.
Okay. I was telling the guys when we got here a minute ago that when a well company puts that in, they usually do a continuous run, from the house and a well. So probably somebody else cut it once and didn't tell anybody and put a couple in
Well,
it.
there's a gas line next to it and a power next to it, so somebody could have hit it, who knows?
Probably somebody bumped it. They fixed it themselves, didn't tell anybody.
Yeah.
And obviously didn't fix it correctly if it's leaking.
Squirting out the backside of the company. A lot, too. So that's been leaking for who knows how many years.
How about lady? What has she been doing all day?
Sleeping.
You sleeping in the truck again?
See where she painted me yesterday?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Good job, guys. All righty. We'll talk to you guys later. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.